Professor Dave here. Let's take a walk in the park.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
When you visit Italy, you might be on a tight schedule, as there are many monuments and sights to see, as well as a lot of food to eat. But if you find yourself with enough time to take a stroll through the park, or even better, the rustic countryside, you will likely encounter a wide variety of flowers and trees. So let's learn the names of these now. First, let's note that in Italian, the word for flower, fiore, or fiori in the plural, is masculine. But the actual names of different kinds of flowers can be masculine or feminine, depending on the gender they used to have in Latin. Here are some common ones that you might find. La rosa, il garofano, la calla, la margherita, il tulipano, la dalia, la ginestra, il papavero, la gardenia, il mughetto, la camelia, il giacinto, la mimosa, il ciclamino, l'iris, il giglio, la peonia, il gelsomino, la primula, il bucaneve, l'orchidea, la violetta, il geranio, il non ti scordar di me. That's quite a lot of flowers, so let's switch over to trees, or alberi. These come in two categories, the evergreens, or sempreverdi, and the ones with large leaves, or latifoglie. Specific names for types of trees include the following: l'abete, il pino, il tiglio, l'acero, il salice piangente, la betulla, l'olmo, il mandorlo, il cipresso, l'olivo, il castagno, il platano, l'acacia, il faggio, il pioppo, il sorbo, il noce, la canfora. And that's most of the trees and flowers you'll see on your stroll through the Italian countryside, which hopefully will make it even more enjoyable to stop and smell the roses. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.